am Saroja Parthasarathi. I am 79 years old and I am having arthritis for the past 15 years.
This lady was a 77-year-old lady when she first saw me 2 years ago. Her left knee was completely fused. Means she could not even bend the knee and absolutely no movement or a little jog of movement in her left knee. And the right knee also was arthritic, but the left knee was what was bothering her a lot.
I consulted many orthopedic surgeons in the city.
Now she had lost hopes of getting her left knee rectified, and there was a lot of fear in her mind that if she goes through surgery things will not be good. She was also probably had consulted a few doctors and she had not got a very bright prognosis about her left knee.
Did not get any good opinion about the complaint I had. The complaint was stiffness in the knee. And it was so much that I couldn't get into any auto or any other vehicle. One of my friends mentioned the name of Chetan Nagaraj. I consulted Chetan Nagaraj and he said it can be done provided the muscles become strong, it can be done.
And she actually came to me thinking that I will do her right knee replacement. But then when I examined her, I said, yes, your right knee is arthritic, but keeping the fact that your left knee is having no movement at all, it was imperative that we rectify your left knee first. And since she was 77, we decided to stage the two knees. So we did a left knee replacement about 18 months ago. Now, when you see the video going from a stage where there is no movement in her left knee, and now she's got 110, 120 degrees of movement in her left knee, and then it gives her the confidence of going through the same thing again for her right knee. So we did a right knee replacement 4 days ago. You can see how comfortably she's walking, and she's able to walk even almost without any support at 4th post-operative day, and she's going home today.
Now I can walk well with so much of confidence. I walk that the quality of movement in my knees has definitely improved. That is because of the surgery done by Chetan Nagaraj.
Now this lady is one such example where her left knee, others had given up hope saying that your muscles are gone, your knee is bad, it is completely stiff, we can't rectify it.
The operation done by Chetan Nagaraj worked out very well. So, Sagar Hospital staff, every one of them, they looked after me very well.
We did a pre-operative physiotherapy for her left knee, what we call as a prehab, and then a post-operative physiotherapy, a rehab protocol, and she's had an excellent outcome, which made her confident of coming back at the age of 79, getting her right knee replacement.
People have false notions about the surgery or orthopedic surgery, but I tell you that it is really a very good modern device. People can undergo surgery without any doubt.
What exactly happens in a knee replacement surgery? It is not like we are completely taking out the knee. It is basically resurfacing, making sure they are nice smooth edges, and also making sure the alignment is fine. And then we use this as a cap, and once this is fixed, and then on the leg bone side again we make it smooth and well aligned, and then fix it like this. And once the new joint is reduced, now we've got a new knee has got excellent movement with least friction, and the patient is very comfortable, and making sure that the alignment of the knee is perfectly fine, and making sure that the patient gets a complete degree of movement in the knee. So this is exactly what happens in knee replacement surgery, and the outcomes are very good. We also use advanced techniques like computer navigation to make sure that we have got the alignment perfectly all right, which helps in the accuracy of placement of the new joint.